Welcome to the Startup Brain TV, where you can learn how to start and run a successful online business working from home or anywhere in the world, so you can finally live the life of freedom and fulfillment that you truly deserve. Hello guys, and welcome back to another video here today at the Startup Brain TV. So this video is going to be slightly different from all the other videos that you've seen before, where you guys pretty much see my face and me telling you what to do. So this is going to be more of a behind the scenes, me screen recording the tutorial for you guys, because it only makes sense to screen record it. This is something that I personally just recently did for my online store, and I thought to share with you guys because I know a lot of you guys out there already have Facebook business pages, or you're thinking about having a Facebook business page where you can then sell your products. Now, having your products listed on your Facebook page is really, really, really important in this day and age, because a lot of your customers are already on Facebook. And if you already have a Facebook business page, then there's a high possibility that you have customers contacting you via Facebook every single day. So if you have the shop feature on your Facebook page, then it makes it easier for people to navigate directly to your website. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a Facebook shop page, be it for your online store or your online boutique, okay? Right, so I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can get your Facebook page pretty much to look like this, with the shop feature on the left hand side of that page. So when people click on shop, they can actually head over to view your products. Okay, so you can see I've got all the products right here that have been integrated straight from my website. It's been mapped over from my website straight onto Facebook. Okay, so every time I add a new product on my website, it automatically gets uploaded to Facebook. So I'm going to be showing you exactly how I did this and how you too can also get this done. It's going to save you a lot of stress and headaches having to go back and forth manually importing products yourself, and you can actually go in here and share products as you please to your pages, to your your friends on Facebook if you chose. So this is a great way as well to really keep your Facebook followers and fans up to date with all your new recent products. So every time you upload a new product, they will be notified of this new products on your page as well. Okay. So the first thing you want to do is create a Facebook account. So you will need to create a personal Facebook account in order to create a Facebook page, okay? If you don't already have a personal Facebook account, then I recommend you get one created, okay? So it's really easy to create an account. Just go here, type in your first name, surname, email address, your password, and then your date of birth, your sex, and create account. And that's how easy it is to create a Facebook account, okay? So now we're logged into the personal Facebook account. So if you go to the top right hand side of the page, you should see the option to create a page, okay? Right, so as you can see, you've got all the different options here on what sort of pages you can create. So you can select local business, company, organization, brand or product, cause, community, artist, band. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go for the brand or product, okay? Health and beauty. And then I can always then put my product name or my brand name there as well. So I'll just do beauty product. I'm just going to use my name. I'm just going to say Denise Beauty Products. I'll just say Denise Health and Beauty actually, and then let's just get started and see, okay? Okay, so now we have a Facebook page created. The next step, of course, is to make sure we get that shop feature added. So in order to do so, what you want to do is head over to your Facebook page, and then if you look at the top right hand side of your page, there's a settings feature right there. If you click on it, and then on the left hand side of that page, select templates and tabs. So what you want to do is add a tab first of all, okay? And we're looking for the shop tab. So click there to add the shop tab. Okay, and as you can see, you now have the shop tab showing on that list. Okay, so if we go back to our page now, you should be able to see the shop tab on your page, and you can actually move this across using the previous screen that we just came from. So if we want to set up our shop section, click on the shop and click on continue. And then you've got two options here to check out on another website or message to buy. So because I already have a website, I'm going to click on that option there to continue, and I'm just going to save. Okay. Select your currency here, of course. I'm in the UK, so British pound, so just save. Okay, so now we've got our shop ready to go. So what we want to do now is go on and add some products. So you can manually go in here and add products as you please, especially for those of you who don't already have a website. You can just get people to message you, for example, if they want to purchase the product. But in this video, of course, I'm showing you how to link that to a website. So I'm going to show you how to save a lot of stress and time, not having to go through all this manual process of importing every single item on your website. And I'm going to show you how you can easily integrate your website with your Facebook page such that every product on your website is then automatically populated to your Facebook page. Okay. Log into your WordPress dashboard and then go to the plugin section and then add a new plugin. And then what I'm going to do here is I'm going to search for Facebook for Woocommerce. That's the plugin we're looking for. And it's the one by Facebook. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to install now, okay? And of course, I'm going to click on activate to activate the plugin. So what you will notice now is you've got this message here saying Facebook for Woocommerce is ready to complete your configuration, complete the setup process. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and get started, okay? So what you want to do is click on next and then select your Facebook page. Now I've got a few Facebook pages here already, so I'm going to go ahead and select my Facebook page for my business factory. And again, if you don't already have a Facebook page, it prompts you to actually create a new page, okay? And then click on next. Install the Facebook pixel. Yep, I'm just going to leave that as it is, and I'm going to go ahead and click on next. Okay, so it automatically picks up every product that I've got on my website at the moment. So it says I've got 71 products on my website, which is true. So what I'll do now is I'll click on finish to allow Facebook to automatically import all these products from my website. So you can see the setup is already complete. So you can just click on continue. And if you want to create any ads, you can do so here. Again, I'm also adding my products on my Facebook page shop because I want them to appear on my Facebook shop, okay? Also going to add the messenger chat option because I want my customers to be able to reach me directly on Facebook Messenger. So say if I'm offline, for example, and there's no one online to respond to any customer queries, they can actually contact us directly through our Facebook Messenger page. You can change the colors here if you want. I'm going to leave that as purple and I'm going to finish. And I should pretty much have all those options now activated on my Facebook page. So usually if you give it a few minutes, I would say give it maybe 15 to 20 minutes. And then come back to your business page, and what you will notice at this point now is you've now got all your products mapped over to your Facebook page, okay? So this is a very, very easy way to integrate your website with your Facebook page. So you have a shop feature on your Facebook page so people can actually go there and shop directly on your website. I hope you guys found this video useful, and of course, if you're interested in starting an online boutique, be sure to check out the Run Boutique Academy, which has more information on getting started, okay?